What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's Stonebwoy Africa. Alright, guys, so we're here. I don't remember the name of this place, but it used to be a hotel back in the day. That's what I've heard, and I'm just gonna give my baby a tour of the place, you understand? So yeah, right here in Port Antonio. Also, guys, Cardi B have shot her music video here. Also, Chronixx have shot a music video, Victory, with an artist called Keznamdi. And also an artist from Ghana goes by the name Stonebwoy. I've shot his music video here. So many music videos shot right at this little spot here. You understand? So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a tour and show you what it's all about. You understand? Mad thing. Let's go now. Very old building, guys. It's crazy. That's some mad graffiti on the walls though. Yeah. So right at this spot, guys, I'm gonna show you the video with Cardi B right now. Check it out, guys, and tell me if this doesn't look familiar.
Ahora le mete sudando su cuerpo de mora. De toda la baby, ella es la campeona.
Actually, saw this graffiti at Navy Island. Stop. Oh, this place, the kite will break away. Huh? Happy birthday! Aliyah. Oh, this place is crazy, yo. Staircase go down there. Babe, where are you? This is very old, guys. Like, I don't even feel really safe walking in here. Babe. Babe. What? Because I was like, what's going on? I was like, where did she went? Jesus. You're trying to scare me, eh? No, sir. Someone pound lots of farm on here. They are trouble, you know? You are trouble. Yeah. Even this, an artist from Portland goes by the name Versatile. I remember this very spot. Babe, you're gonna have to take some pics here. This graffiti right here is wicked. Just look at this. Is that like a eagle and an elephant? This is just wicked, guys. Yep.
You're gonna see I ain't no beginner when I put the hold on you.
I'm gonna shoot my music video here too. I'm gonna shoot my music video right here too. I don't know if I can go upstairs, guys, because this place doesn't seem safe. It does. This place does not seem very safe to climb. I don't know if I should chance it, but let's see how far I can go and pray for me. Wow. Babe! Babe! Come look up here. This is crazy. Wow.
Oh, lunatic I move just like the Black Knight. Love the skinny kitty or the fat type. She
Yo! Pirate of Jamaica. Yo! Yeah, this wicked. Yeah, this mad yeah, man. Just look on this. Sick. You can see that like right here, guys. Collapse. Like most of the wall, you know, it's broken down. Yeah. And that's an island right over there. I think they call it Wood Island. You see it? But yeah, man. I'm really scared walking up here, guys, because this place just does not seem safe. But pray for me.
Victory, when you're winning it's a sweet story, and when you're not then the war is bitter.
Over that part, definitely not safe. I can see all the cracks. Babe! 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 There's another stairs. Babe! Guys, I'm not gonna walk across because this right here just doesn't seem safe. That's a rabbit. What are you doing? Why are you screaming like that? Why are you screaming like that? You're trying to scare me.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
You got scared, baby.
No, sir.
Yeah, you did.
No, sir.
You were scared.
Well, yes, I was. Babe, this is wicked, babe. Careful. This place is crazy. Yeah.
You look scared. He got scared, everyone.
Babe, take your time on this place because I don't trust it. I'm scared this place might collapse with us. I don't like the cracks and all of that. You guys can see it's not very safe. Yeah.
for money. I walk till my clock, clean ham, green shirt, sweat just so the world set. Try the earth surface, but no man no perfect. Them can't say we worthless.
Me they on me, best behavior in the worst days. Now stop read the book from the first page. But man born for Folly town, no one
So this used to be the, you know, the popular hotel back in the day, you know? Yeah, man. Right here in Portland. Don't do that, babe.
Why?
Babe, stop. This place is not safe, babe. Don't do that. Babe, don't do that. This place is not safe. Babe, this place is not safe. Don't do that. Okay?
You're such a scaredy cat.
Safety first. But yo, just look at this graffiti, guys. Yo, just look on
So
this.
sexy, I love him.
I like them something, I'm not like wicked. Oh, babe, don't do that. Jesus. Babe, don't do that.
Uh-oh.
Babe, careful. Look at this one around here. Check out this one. This is wicked. Go look at what's on it. Yeah. What do you see?
Pirate Jamaica.
Pirate of Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah. This is wicked. You want to take a pic right out this one?
Nah. Take a pic of the view.
Oh, is that rain? What? Oh my god, it's gonna rain, guys. And there's a guy that has his farm right down there, guys. So yeah, people are making use of the land, you know. Babe, did you hear that? Guys, I just heard footsteps down there. Like literally, I just heard footsteps. Oh my god, babe, this place is getting scary. Babe, we better go. Babe, we better get out of here. I took the stairs right here.
Where?
Right here.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Let's take your time, go around. Careful. You got it. Wicked.
Go, baby, take that of me.
Yeah. Whoa, that eagle is.
Who does that? Is that this is Nicki Minaj? Nicki Minaj? No,
Cardi B.
With that Modelo song.
Yeah. If I'm correct, yeah, I'll find out again. But I think it used to be a hotel, they say. Something like that. Yeah, guys, so that's a little tour. You understand? So hope you guys enjoy. You understand? And thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, you understand? Leave a comment, share, subscribe to my channel, guys. You know the you know the vibes. I'm at thing. Yeah. It's Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
I know you need a holiday. Let's go away for 6 months, twice in a year, baby.